Flex. Live smarter.
Innovations in augmented reality just got started at Flex, and the possibilities are endless. Let's start with one of the core requirements in the warehouse.
When we started to think about augmented reality applications, we quickly realized that factory operations and logistics were going to be one of the first areas to unlock the full productivity and power of smart glasses. The next generation of computing is going to be hands-free. We started building apps for logistics in an effort to replace the handheld scanner and paper pick list as our first proof of concept. In a typical warehouse, here is how the smart glasses work. Wearing the smart glasses, the operator initiates the picking process by a simple hand gesture. Next, the operator scans the location, picks and scans the box barcode, and places it in the truck. Once the parts have been picked, the operator drives the truck to the proper destination, uploads the specific parts, completes the order, and is ready for the next pickup. And all of this is done hands-free. No need for a paper checklist or a hand scanner any longer.
I can see the potential of smart glasses in multiple warehousing scenarios. Hands-free interaction and visual orders can be delivered with higher efficiency and lower human error in picking operation and inventory management. Collaboration between supervisors and operators will result in accelerated productivity and convenience.
We look forward to the future possibilities.